Welcome, MWhalekiller over here. Today's video is going to be about the MWhalekiller indicator. So the best indicator in the markets. Trading crypto also works on a lot of forex, works on commodities, works on stocks. It's about the best indicator in the world. The only problem is that a lot of people, wealthy people, marketing people, try to hide this from retailers and from a lot of people. And well, while they do that, I do the opposite and I try to get this indicator so a lot of people will know what the power is of this indicator. So let me go and make what I do to this indicator. When you get the code, I put on these two EMA, SMA. I put these two on like this, so 0, so the lines are not visible. This is the 200 EMA. You can put it on. It's on. Let me put it on purple. I've got it also the 200 EMA on this one. I put it on black. If you're on a white chart, and if you're on a black chart, you can put it white. So this way you'll see it best. So these are the settings, and then you put on OK, and there it is. Voila. So this is the indicator. We're gonna talk about the indicator today, about people that are getting the code, because yesterday I gave away to three people the free code. So you go to your Pine editor. I don't know if you can see it because I use a big screen and not the normal one for YouTube, so maybe you cannot see my full screen, but on the left side below you'll see Pine editor. You click on that one and that's where you will paste the code and add it to your chart, and then you will, and if you add also what I just showed you, you will see the indicator like this. So that's about the indicator. So now let's jump into the indicator. And why is this indicator the best? So because MB, you're the one that created this indicator, you're the one that made this indicator, and you're the one that is saying that it's the best indicator. But everyone, how do we say in Dutch, the one that makes the bread, he will tell you that his bread is the best. The one that sells the meat will tell you that his meat is the best. Well, that's not in this case, because this indicator, I'm showing you why it's the best. And a lot of people that are using the indicator will tell you also that it's the best. And the most important thing is, when someone is telling you that an indicator is the best, there is a motive. And what is the motive? The motive is that he wants to sell it to you. So when the one that's making bread is telling you he has got the best bread, he wants to sell his bread to you. The butcher or whatever, he wants to sell you a car. The car salesman, when he wants to sell you a car, he will tell you that his cars are the best. He wants to sell this car. This indicator is not for sale. This indicator is not for sale. This indicator I made is free for the retail army, for the retail retailers that are getting hunted down by shillers, influencers, etc. So that's why I made this. I made this so they can out-trade these guys. They trade better. They know when to get in. They know when to get out. They know how to navigate it. I will today teach you guys, give you guys some tips on how to drive the indicator. But it's to save yourself from losing money, especially when you're leverage trading. By the way, about leverage trading, guys, Weex, Weex, it's closing in. I'm going to make a tutorial about Weex, a new one, and I will do some more explaining because I got a lot of DMs. And please, MB, would love to see you doing a video about Weex tutorial when trading on the platform itself. So I will make one, and I will do one very, very soon. And there is also a new campaign coming in, so Weex is really doing some great stuff. So if you want to join us on Weex, the links are below. And that's, by the way, also how you get this indicator, guys. So, but let's jump back into the chart. So let's just go in. When you're seeing this indicator, what are you seeing exactly? Well, for example, now in the private, we're eyeing to trade on though. The team is eyeing to trade on though. And why are they? Although I have made really, look at this, guys, look. We came below the 200 EMA, so this was bearish. Then we had this massive, this is focus now, because most of the trades, best trades, where you make sick money, sick gains, look like this chart. That's like this, when the price action on the 4-hour went below the indicator, and then you'll see a candle like this. This candle that breaks through the 200 EMA and the indicator at the same time. When you see this happening, know that there is something going to happen. Bulls are planning on pumping this price. It's not only on Ondo, it's on a lot of altcoins, on a lot of assets also, not only crypto, but it works also great on crypto. Because this candle, because you have to see it like this. Let me show you, let me go back in time. Well, there's not a lot of price action to show, but let me show like this. Support, 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 bounce up, and then the indicator, look over here, look over here. Let me show you guys better. Over here, we lost it, resistance, resistance, the indicator is resistance, resistance, resistance. Oh, by the way, there was a fool, I blocked his ass directly. There was a fool on X, he was telling me, your indicator is the, what was it? The Bitcoin support band or whatever it was. You know, there are so many fools and stupid people on CT, and they just shouting, just yelling, whatever. This is nothing like the Bitcoin support band, you fool, you stupid fool that you are. Because if you would put on the support band and this and the MWhalekiller indicator, it's a world of a difference, you fool. So I blocked his ass directly, by the way. I can get so angry from these stupid, ignorant, stupid people. It's really mind-blowing how stupid people are. They just blah, 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 blah. They envy, and then they start just yelling a lot of shit about whatever. I really can get so angry from these fools, and these are the losers that I just described on my X account. There are so many freaking losers in CT. I really keep blocking their asses one by one, and the faster the better. There are so many losers in crypto. The only thing they do is they are in CT. They're watching when someone is helping retailers or whatever, they get in just like a cancer, just like a virus, and they will start spreading FUD, hate, they envy, jealousy, and then when they see some shiller giving them some $10 to repost or something, and they will be the first one to shout, yeah, I'm here, you're the best, you're this. You freaking losers. There's only one thing that I hate more than scammers in crypto and shillers. Retailers holding their bulls and doing anything for pennies. Shame on you. Shame on you, you losers. I will keep blocking every single one of them. Every single one of those losers that comes into my feed on Twitter, I will block him as fast as I can. Sorry guys, I had to say this. So let's get back to the chart. So you see, it was support, support, support. Oh, here we lost it. Then, when you see a candle, this candle says it all. This candle says it really. Black. This candle, guys, this is a very, very important candle. This one, because it just broke through the 200 EMA and the indicator. So when this thing breaks, just like I keep sharing to you guys and explaining you guys, you wait. It doesn't mean that you jump in here, no. Because this is nothing. It broke through, we saw the strength. The most important part to watch now on the indicator is this. Is it going to confirm a support? And are you seeing this wick over here? Let me make it. You can see it. I hope that you guys can. I can make it wide because. So this wick over here. Wait a minute. Let me make. I need you guys to see this because I'm not sure that you can see this. Wait a minute. Not this one. Let me go make it the wick. Let me make the wick for now. Let me make it green. Maybe you can see it now. Are you seeing it? No. made it wrong. What am I doing? Not this one. This one can stay black, wick, green. Now you can see it. Are you seeing it? Over here. So let me zoom it in. So this is the most important. So this would also be an entry, by the way, guys. This one over here. This would also be an entry, but this was the definite entry. So it holds support. It holds. So we broke through with power. We came back. And this is the entry. This is the entry when you go in and start writing the indicator. This is the entry. So as you can see, pop, 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 and then at some point it needs to come back. It came back, support, 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 and off she goes again. So, and it's still showing power over here. It's still showing power over here. Well, in the private, I've explained what the team is planning to do with this coin. So, this is really mind-blowing, guys, and I can show you guys this on any chart. I've got a list here, any chart, just a random chart. I can choose it and you're gonna see how it works. Let me show you guys another chart. What shall we take? What shall we take? Let me see. What shall we take? Let me see. Let's take Fetch AI. Let's take Fetch AI. Let's see how Fetch AI is looking. Fetch AI. Fetch AI. What we're seeing here is this. We had this FOMO run. Here it's the same, up, down. We didn't touch it, so this was no entry. Over here it was an entry, because this is no entry, by the way, guys. When you see something like this, so this was just a scammy dump. This was a scammy dump, and then we went up and then we broke through it. It never came back, so this is no entry. This was an entry over here, close below it, 2, 3 strong, up, over here, close above it, you wait. These are the candles, you can see them. This is an entry. This is an entry. It held support, support, entry, back, support, 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 support. You see how beautifully, it's really mind-blowing, this indicator. Look how beautifully those bulls, those wheels, those market makers hold the line over here. Broke below it, fake out, up, you wait for it, come back. Look how beautiful they hold it. Hold, 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 hold. And then boom. And then you get that explosive run up. And over here it'll get stopped out. So let me take ETH. How's ETH looking? Look at ETH, guys. This was the same scammy dump. This was that scammy dump. It's a shakeout. So you don't listen. This is Bitcoin that did this. So everything will come down. So don't watch these scammy candles over here. So forget about these ones. Look at ETH, guys. I'm not making this up, guys. I'm just choosing random charts over here. Over here, break up, retest. You wait for the 200 EMA, because that's also a very important one. And there we go. Boom, 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 boom. Look where it comes into the indicator. You see this? Guys, you have to. Guys, I'm not making this up. I'm not making this up. You can be ignorant. You can do as if whatever. You cannot. I'm giving you the facts over here. Look, this was number one. Look at it. Okay, held support. This is an entry. Boom, boom, boom. It doesn't matter. There are some people telling you, well, wait a minute, ETH already went up a lot, so I'm not going to long Ether here. Bro, stop your freaking mind. Stop your freaking emotions. Stop your freaking... Don't think. Just act on this indicator. Let him do the thinking for you, because he thinks based on what the market is doing. And you are thinking like a human. And as a human, the markets are made the human mind, the markets are made versus the human minds, because market makers want to wreck you. They don't want to, they want you to be bearish over here. Wait a minute, ETH made a nice one up, so it probably will come down. So yes, over here we're gonna short it. And that's how they pump it and liquidate you and make a lot of money. So look at it. This is ETH. This is number one. Let me go and show you number, and this is number 2. Look at it. Are you seeing this? Guys, I'm not making this up. It's perfectly on the nose. Boom. Let's go to the next. Why not? We're riding. Look at this. Kaboom! Hold. It's, these bulls are like, wait a minute, it's coming to the MWhalekiller Indicator. No. Buy that shit up. Look at it. Okay, we're still riding because remember, guys, we jumped in over here. We broke the 200 EMA. We're not getting out of our trade. No. Because the indicator is still valid. As long as this thing is valid, we will not jump out. And we're still riding. Oh, we're coming down. No. We're still above the indicator. So we will not sell. Our long position will stay open. And what happens? Boom, more profits. And then we come back. Again, it's holding. We will stay in. Those wheels, market makers, will not shake us out. And then over here, we got the next one. Hold. Look at it, guys. Look. Let me zoom it in a bit. Look at it. Hold. It's only the wicks that are below it, but the candles, the bodies are above it. They close above it. That's what counts. And then, well, we're still holding. Okay. So what are we going to do next? Let's ride it again. So this is massive. Pumpy. And then over here, we're hitting it again. Will we jump out? We are at massive gains over here. Massive. Your long position is in massive gains from here. But we will not let market makers shake us out. We will not let that happen. So what happens next? Boom, and we're up again. Over here is where market makers thought to themselves, wait a minute, there are too many longs open, people are making too many money, and we need to shake some out. So this was the shakeout. So you always place your stop loss around here, especially when it closes a body candle. So you close it over here. So this was the close. Over here, you get stopped up because you're in massive gains. You're in massive gains. So over here. Then you can choose, because this one closed above it, and we look at it, we retested the indicator again. So this was another entry. So this is, you just get out here. This is another entry. Look at this. This was a fake out, this was the shakeout. Closed above it, came back. Look at this. Retested it over here. When it retested it, most of the times you'll see this happen. So it's riding, hold. Over here is the first candle that closes really big below it. And this is when you become bearish. This is when you become bearish, especially when you got one following it. So this means you can start looking for short opportunities. But are you going to short from here? No, you do not. You always have to have confirmation that the indicator has flipped from support to resistance. Exactly. So how are you going to do that? So you're going to wait. And you wait because you're also going to get a better entry. Over here, close below it. So this is bearish. You're out of your longs. You're looking for a short. So not here, not here. Over here is when the first real test came. Over here it touched. So this is an entry. This was the short entry. Over here. And then you ride it. Wait for it. And then over here, when it hits the 200 EMA, it's always a good opportunity to start taking profits. Because why? It's going into the 200 EMA. So the 200 EMA is showing you have to take profits over here. So you're going to take profits. You're going to take some off. So when you take some off the table, you can take like 50-75% off your position in profits, and then you wait for it to come back to the indicator, because it's always going back to the indicator. Well, over here it went. So what you can do over here, you could re-enter and fill some bags over here again. Understand the thesis. So you shorted over here, going over here. This is 2 in the EMA. I'm gonna take like 50-75% off my position, and when it comes back to the indicator, I will add like 50% to my position on a high level. So you made profits over here, so you made a lot of money over here, and then over here you're gonna add and you're gonna win this move up. You already won it, because this is also money, although you're not in it, but it's money because you have sold over here and you're gonna buy back in over here for this move. And you see we did hit the Indy again, and as you can see, boom, and this time you're gonna take some profits again over here, and then over here it closed below it. When it closed below it, what the team does, they will increase their position again, but they will not increase it over here. They'll wait for it to, the 200 EMA has to be confirmed as resistance. It flipped from support. This was support. Over here we closed below it. As you can see, look at it. We closed below it. This is bearish on a 4-hour. So what they do is they wait, because it went down and then at some point it came back to the 200 EMA to test it, and it flipped resistance, as you can see. So they will what they do is they increase their position again. So over here they increased their short position again, and over here, well, they're running, and over here they're gonna take profits because we're getting into resistance. So take profits on your shorts. Sorry, no, I'm saying it wrong. Over here they run it down. This is your, when you get out. This is on your break even. So what you added over here, you're gonna take it out over here. Because why? Because it's breaking the 200 EMA. So just get out. Just get out. And it also broke the Indy. And over here you see it came in. It retested over here. So this was a long entry again above it. And then we get this one below the Indy and the 200 EMA. So this was a break even, get out. And over here it's a short and they're riding it. And over here you get stopped out again. And this is how you ride the indicator. I think that I've explained it as best as I ever could, and this is now on the 4-hour. So this is on the 4-hour. You can do this also when you're scalping and you want to make money on a short term, very fast, in and out. That's when you start using the 15 minutes. And the 15 minutes, guys, this is when you'll be a lot of ins and out and ins and out. But the thing about the indicator, when you catch a big move, either up or down, you're gonna nail it. You're gonna nail that trade. So this will be a lot of in and out. So just like over here, this was a nice candle above the Indy. We need a break above it. That was this one. As you can see, this one was a break above it, and then you wait perfectly the indicator, and over here you start riding it. This is an entry. Your stop loss is below the 200 EMA, and as you guys can see, it perfectly hit 200 EMA, and off she went, and you're in gains. And look at it again over here. Coming here, no, let's go up again. Boom, and over here you would take your profits. Get out, guys. It's you know what you guys need to know. I've tested almost every paid indicator out there. There are indicators that cost like $1,000, $1,500, $500, $200 a month, $150 a month. I've tested them all. This is about the most simple and best indicator out there. And you know, I can add to you guys to this indicator buy, sell, buy. I can add these so you can see exactly. Oh wait, I can even I even made a bot of this, but it's not what I want you guys to do. Don't do this buy, sell this, because why? I need you guys to focus when you're trading this thing. You must be the one trading it, because you have to flip it from time frame to time frame. And when you put it in a trading bot, because I have this one on a trading bot, it can make trades for me without me even trading on the charts. But I'm not doing that. And why am I not doing that? Because you have to see the bigger picture. You have to flip it from time frame to time frame. You have to flip from 1 hour to 50 minutes to 4 hours. So it's not something you have to be on the charts. And if you want to trade while you're working, then just trade on the 1 hour or trade on the 4 hours. That's the best strategy. Just like we just explained now in this video, I did it on the 4 hours. So this is for people that are working, don't have a lot of time, so they can keep. Suppose they jumped in over here, what they do is very simple. They just put in their stop loss and they hire it up in gains. And as long as the indicator keeps as long as the indicator keeps holding, they are in. And the only thing you have to do is higher up your stop loss, higher up your stop loss, higher your stop loss, and then you can. These are sick gains, by the way, guys. This is really sick. This is mind blowing. So I've explained it really the best I could today, and this is really by far the best indicator. Okay, well, now comes the how do I get this indicator? It's very simple. First of all, everyone that's watching this vid, I will give away the code for free to anyone that's liking, reposting this YouTube vid and leaving a comment. So I will choose one from the YouTube channel that likes the vid and is leaving a comment, and I will give one on daily basis on one of my tweets. So on my X, follow me on X, the link is below, MWhalekiller. So every day I will choose one. It will be random, so it doesn't matter what post. So everyone that a post, a like, repost, and a comment, I will choose one of the comments. So you have to like, repost. When I check in the comments and I see that you reposted it, one of my posts, and you liked it, and then I will choose one. Yesterday I chose 3 of them, so it was a very nice day, because on Sunday I'm doing my live and I will give away 3 codes. So I will give away every day on daily basis, one on my YouTube channel and one on my X post. So everyone, if you want to win, you know what to do. And you know, I'm very sharp. I see people that are reposting a lot and commenting a lot and really helping the retail fam grow. Those will be the one picked. So the more you repost, the higher chances you have to get it. Okay, so that's that. That's how, number 1, how to get this best indicator. Number 2, to get this indicator is free for everyone that joins the free private group. The free private group is a group. I share trading courses over there. I share trade setups over there. I share what the team does over there. There's a lot of alpha shared over there. I think that the trading courses are by far the most important ones. So if everyone wants to join the free private group, the trading course vids are better than any out there in CT. I can guarantee you this. This is one guarantee I can give you. My trading course vids are better than any paid program you know out there. But that's something else. So that's, and if you join us, you have to be trading on Weex. The link is below, or Mexc. Mexc, I don't know for how long. For Weex, I've got a very long partnership with Weex. So for Weex, you will be in there for a long time. So the link is below. Deposit a minimum of $500. Start active trading. And when you start active trading, you can DM me your UID number on X, and I will give you an invite. The team will check. You get an invite, and when you get an invite to the free private, you'll get this indicator. You'll get this indicator. Everything will be provided. So all the services of the MWhalekiller will be provided when you're trading on Weex. So that's number 2. And there was a number 3. There was yesterday someone that told me, can we buy this indicator? We're willing to pay for this indicator. You know, I never take money from retailers. I'm like 3 years now on Twitter, on YouTube, making daily vids, making daily content. I've never ever took a dime from any retailer. But what I do take is this, because this is another life of me. I travel a lot, and I'm all about helpless children all over the world. No matter what color, no matter what religion, no matter what, I don't care. Every child is a child to me, and I travel a lot to help children that are in need, etc., etc. And I've got on my bio on X, there is a USDT address. It's only accessible on ERC20 because it's my USDT address on a regulated Dutch account. So it's all regulated. The money that comes in there, it's checked and everything, and I use that money for when I'm traveling to help helpless children. So if you want to donate money for charity, for children charity, you're always welcome. My USDT address is over there. ERC20 only, by the way, guys. ERC20 only. And if you can show me that you donated to charity, or even if you want to donate, you don't need to use my USDT address. You can also donate yourself. Choose a charity organization of children, because it has to be a charity organization of children, and you can show me the receipt. I will also give you the code for free. So you don't have to donate it through me. You can also donate it directly to a child organization, and I will also give you this code. So these are the 3 ways to get the best indicator for trading crypto. And for me, it's not about making gains. For me, this indicator, I created it so retailers will not get wrecked by shilling influencers and scammers and market makers. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this vid, and I think it's one of the most important vids to watch. And please, not only to win this indicator, to let us grow and help a lot more retailers in the markets. We have to reach more. So please like my vids, like my reposts, repost them, copy link my posts if they are important posts, answer them in big crypto communities. That's the only way how we can grow. Thank you very much. Have a nice one, and bye bye.